Hello everyone, welcome to Jain Rasoi. I'm making my favorite red chilla with Gajar Matar sabji. For this recipe, we need some dahi, some suji, some carrot, some beetroot and some water and some ghee. So let's start making it. We need 4 teaspoons of suji, 3 and 4. We have to put some dahi inside it. Now let's mix it. After mixing, we put some namak in it. After putting namak, we have to take some carrot and some beetroot and have to peel the carrot. We peel the carrot, then we have to take this grater and do it grading. Okay, so I will do the beetroot grading first. Now let's start to grate the carrot. Now we have grated the carrot. Now let's put the carrot inside the bowl. Now I will put some water in it so it gets thinner. Now it's getting some color. Now let's mix it. Let's put some more water so it gets more thinny. Now we are done with the batter. We will put the batter on the gas. So there is a guest to eat my little chila. He is my little younger brother. So now I am going to make the chila for him. Now let's put some ghee on it. Yummy! Now let's place the batter on. Now I placed the butter on the gas. Now let's wait and let the chila cook. Now I will put some ghee on the chila above it and some downstairs a little. Now let's flip the chila over. Now our chila is ready. Let's make Gajar Matar. I like to eat Gajar Matar with my red chilla. Now I will cut the gajar. I chopped all the gajar. So I will put the carrot and some matar into the bowl. First I will take some ghee and put it in the pan. I'm done with this ghee. So now I will put some carrot in it. Now the matar. Now let's mix it. Now I will put some jeera. Now some haldi and some salt. Now I will put the cap on the bowl because it will pop out like a popcorn. Now let's take off the lid and mix it And our yummy Matar is ready. So our dish is ready. The red chilla and the Gajar Matar sabji. If you like it, please like, share and comment. Happy cooking!